Hey everyone, we are in 8199 on the Margaritaville at Sea Islander, leaving out of Tampa, Florida, on a 4-day cruise to Cozumel. We're in the Breezy Balcony, and as you can see, come on, is your standard cabin, 3 closets. And one thing I've noticed is no shelving in this one, other than where the life jackets are. This is the balcony, the Breezy Balcony. We are in the middle of the ship, midship. Very nice. It's 3 of us in here. And I'm gonna go into the bathroom. It's your standard Carnival type bathroom because it is a refurbished Carnival Spirit class ship. Very clean. The shower curtain. And I'll take you all to see the balcony. And so far, everyone has been so kind and so nice on this ship. Stand-up balcony. View of Tampa. Just finished raining. Nice size balcony. Always remember to watch your step. If you have any questions about Breezy Balcony, room 8199 on this Margarita at Sea Islander, please drop them in the comments and I'll make sure to answer them. Have a great day.